Okay, we just fixed this fountain. Easy! Water is my friend! Don't poke it!
I'm communicating with it!
Wrong valve! Wrong valve! It felt like the right one!
Why betraying me? You opened all the valves!
We need a real plan. My plan is run! Hold the umbrella right! It is right in my heart! Okay, this is the right one. Turn it.
See? I told you water loves me. It nearly launched you to the moon. All thanks to my genius. Your genius almost drowned us. Fountain fixed. And only one near-death experience.